Welcome to our video tutorial on how to decorate a dark wood cabinet kitchen. Today, we will transform this space using a variety of components and techniques. Let's get started. The key components we will be working with are upper cabinets, base cabinets, wall cabinets, cabinet doors, cabinet drawers, cabinet handles/knobs, cabinet hinges, cabinet frames, cabinet shelves, cabinet toe kicks, cabinet crown molding, cabinet side panels, cabinet back panels, cabinet filler strips, cabinet lighting fixtures, cabinet glass doors, cabinet drawer slides, cabinet hardware, screws, bolts, etc., cabinet adjustable legs, and cabinet end panels. Prep and paint. Before we start decorating, let's ensure that our cabinets are clean and free of any dirt or grease. Use a gentle cleanser and wipe them down. Once they are dry, we can proceed to paint or stain them if desired. This will give the cabinets a fresh and updated look. Upgrade the hardware. Changing the cabinet handles and knobs can instantly elevate the overall appearance of your kitchen. Measure and mark the desired placement, then attach the new hardware using the provided screws. This simple change can make a big impact. Illuminate the space. Lighting fixtures can create a warm and inviting ambience in your kitchen. Install under cabinet lighting fixtures to brighten up the work areas and highlight the beauty of your dark wood cabinets. Connect the fixtures according to the manufacturer's instructions. Style with care. Now that the cabinets are painted, hardware is upgraded, and lighting fixtures are installed, it's time to arrange your items. Place decorative items, such as dishes, glasses, or small plants, on the open shelves to add a personal touch. Use cabinet filler strips to close any gaps and create a seamless appearance. Enjoy your newly decorated kitchen. Stand back and admire the transformation you've achieved. The dark wood cabinets, now enhanced with fresh paint, new hardware, and thoughtful styling, have completely transformed the space. Your kitchen is now ready for you to enjoy and create culinary masterpieces. Thank you for joining us on this journey to decorate a dark wood cabinet kitchen. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Remember, with a little creativity and attention to detail, you can turn any space into a beautiful and functional kitchen.